Simply enter your email, name, and organization name. Be sure to read the terms of service and the HaloCheck personal data notice. Acknowledge these, then click Register Account. Next, you will need to verify your phone number. Enter your mobile number and click Next. You will receive a one-time PIN via SMS. If you don't receive the one-time PIN, click Resend. Enter the code provided and click Next. Now, verify your email address. Check your inbox for an email from signup@halocheck.com.my. Click the link in the email. You will be redirected to the HaloCheck platform and prompted to reset your password. Once you have set your password, go to www.halocheck.com.my. Click Login and sign in using your registered email and new password. To subscribe to VERISafe, click Subscription on the side navigation menu on the left. Choose either the yearly or monthly subscription plan and click Continue. On the subscription payment page, check your transaction details. If you have a promo code, enter it here. If everything is in order, click Pay, and you will be directed to a secure payment page to complete your transaction. Complete your payment securely via credit card. Once transaction is successful, you can return to the HaloCheck homepage and start your unlimited searches. Thank you for subscribing to VERISafe. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@halocheck.com.my.